welcome back. If this is your first time here, you're going to want to hit the little subscribe button right there because I have this really cute golden retriever and she's in every single video. And she's in today's video too. In today's video, we're going to go check out my claw machine. Put some new toys in there, grab some money out, clean it up, and then we're getting some more shenanigans along the way. So hey, don't forget, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Like I said, golden retriever. And you know, what else? What do I usually say right here? Oh yeah, stick around. Don't go anywhere.
Hey.
Zelda, pick your toys up. They're everywhere. You got your blanket over there. You got your toys everywhere. Pick your toys up. Pick them up. Fine, I'll pick them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. I got all those in my hand. Can you believe that? Toys. Oh, dropped one. I'll put them in your pool. 6, 7. Just kidding. I already picked this one up. I dropped it. This is her blanket. We call it pumpkins. What else? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Spoon. 12. Although that's too many toys for you. Just kidding, that's not enough toys. Oh, it's not enough. Take that outside. No, take it. Oh, you're away, butthead. This has to go outside because it's dripping wet. Look at that thing. Yuck. What's the matter with you, bro? Stay. Good girl. Good girl. Where's it? Goose! What are you doing? Packing for what? What trip?
That I'm filming.
You're filming a trip? You gonna do a trip vlog? Okay. Later. Alright guys, so I got some toys for the claw machine, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. I don't think I'm gonna pull any money out, but we are gonna go reset the toys, add some toys, wipe it down, and just make sure everything's hunky-dory. Alright. Also brought my helper. Boom. Alright, we're here. We're gonna run up in there and check it out. Alright guys, so today I actually brought some tape. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape a couple dollar bills onto some random toys in there just to encourage people to play, and if they win, even better. Maybe they'll put the dollar back in. What do you think, Em? Good idea. Alright, so it's just a quick collection, but you know what? I gotta call some friends of mine and see if I can get these babies dropped off today because we're going up to the mountains for the weekend, and I'm not gonna be able to drop these off on the weekend. On top of the reason that they're not even open on the weekends. So I got this Vendo fixed, man, and it's still just sitting, so I'm gonna try to get it delivered today. I gotta call for some help though, because you know, these things are heavy.
What's up, brother?
What are you doing?
Chilling at the moment.
Hey, wanna come help me move this vending machine to my location?
Yeah,
Alright, how long is it gonna take you to get here?
3 hours.
I love you, dude. I got the best friends ever. They'll be closed by the time you get here, so never mind. Alright guys, so I only called one person to see if they'd help me, but you know, I realized it's already 3:30. I have to go pick up the kiddo from her theater group, and then by the time we get back, I would have to unload my trucks. I still have my paint tools in there. You know, I was a little gung-ho about dropping it off today, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Plus, I still gotta pack for my trip this weekend. For my trip. Still gotta pack for my trip, so. All right, so I'm gonna take the collections inside. We'll count it up. I'll see how we did. I think it's only been a week. And I know I said I was gonna wait a month, but I was there servicing it, cleaning it up and restocking it. So I figured, hey, might as well pull the money out. Plus, I'm taking a trip this weekend, you know, so I can use the extra cash, bro. Emma, switch your laundry over. Are you sure?
I can't get the comforter out.
Excuses. Says she couldn't get the comforter out. Now I see why. It's like tangled up in here. What the heck? Uh-oh, I ripped it. Look at that. Look at that. I did it. All right, guys, so a super short video, but we did pretty well. It's only been 1 week since we collected on the claw machine at our Mexican market location. So I'm gonna check it out. I got it all counted up for you guys. Boom. So $37, but I got 3 bicentennial coins in this haul. That's crazy. So that's pretty cool. I know my boy Azan Kahn, he saves all these, and I think you could sell them on eBay for higher than what they're actually worth. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So it was a 37 total pool. The thing was, I took out $2 and I taped them onto a couple of balls, which you saw. So technically, I guess it's only $35. So $35 in 1 week, that ain't bad with 3 bicentennial coins. And the closest thing I got to silver was 1967. And then next week, we'll go pitch this one. I got a handful of places that I'm pretty sure all of them are gonna want it. So I may even have to buy another one. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks, guys. If you liked the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button because that really helps me out. And hey, it's free. And also, speaking of free, we cleared 1,500 subscribers. So of course, we're gonna do a giveaway, and I'm gonna give you guys something for free back for all your support. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.